It's a really nice bathroom candle. You know, when you're having a shower, when you're doing a number two, how you just want to be, you know, want to relax and be well taken care of. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Ee-Feh. I'm a makeup artist here in the UK and my channel covers fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if this is what you're into, you're definitely at the right spot. So subscribe and thumbs up this video, share this video, we're good. Anyway, so in today's video we're going to be filming a Zara home haul. Zara, that is a bit of a tongue twister. Zara home, Zara. In today's video we're going to be filming a Zara home haul. I picked up some few candles. A few of them are like Jo Malone and Zara collaboration. So the very first fragrance I picked up is Dark Amber. This is meant to be an aromatic candle. Yeah, so it's got some scent to it. Okay, we're not doing plain mediocre stuff here. Like we're doing like you know. We're doing big things, you know. So, okay, right. So, let's talk about this. I think this was retailed $15.99. A lot of people were raving about this. I don't know if it's just me personally, but I like strong scents, strong, sophisticated scent that just fills up the entire house. I'm Nigerian and I cook, and you know, I'm sure a lot of African or Asian people can relate that whenever we cook, like the entire house just stinks up with food and you just want to get rid of that smell. So what I do is I just lit up candles. I lit up candles and 1 or 2 candles, and everything is back to smelling good and fresh and clean again. But with this one, I didn't actually get it. I didn't get that strong candle-ish aroma from this. I'm still gonna use it though, so I just popped this in the living room just to have it smelling a bit, you know, nice and fresh. But apart from that, a lot of people were raving about this on YouTube. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably rate this. I even think IKEA candles do better than this. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably rate this 4 out of 10. I do like the presentation though, but apart from the performance, the aroma from this is just whack. Okay, whack. So the second candle I've got is also from Zara as well, and it is called White Jasmine. This is a lot stronger than Dark Amber. As you know, Jasmine is very like relaxing, it's very sensual. This is my bathroom candle. This is really nice, like it's really calming, it's really refreshing. It's a really nice bathroom candle. You know, when you're having a shower, when you're doing a number two, how you just want to be, you know, you just want to relax and be well taken care of. This is really good. This is a really good candle. I really like it, and I love the fact that it's white as well, because it just goes with your bathroom aesthetics or whatever. So this, I would rate this 6 out of 10. Yes, it performs a lot better. It definitely performs a lot better compared to the Dark Amber. And I thought Dark Amber was going to be top notch because people were raving about Dark Amber on YouTube. So I bought like 3 of the Dark Amber, 3 Dark Ambers. So I'm actually going to return that and swap it with White Jasmine. Okay, so the third candle I picked up, I think this is also 620 grams, and it is, I think it's $17.99. Right, so the next candle I picked up is, this is the Jo Malone and Zara This is the Jo Malone and Zara collaboration, and it's in ebony wood, and they've also got perfume version of this as well. to be honest, this was $24.99 or something ridiculous. And it smells of the perfume, but the aroma is meant to be an aromatic candle. If it's an aromatic candle, then I'm literally digging my nose into the wax. So what is aromatic about it? Because I don't get it. I don't get it. If you're gonna call something aromatic, it needs to smell strong. It doesn't even smell that strong when you burn it as well. So I really don't understand why this is $25.99. I'll also rate this 4 out of 10 because it just wasn't doing it for me. I also picked up WATERLILLY dress tea as well. This is also going to make, oh gosh, this is so nice and fresh. This is going to make a really nice bathroom toilet candle as well. It smells really nice and clean and fresh. I really like this. This is really nice. Really good. Okay, so moving on to the fragrance, the room sprays. I picked up, yeah guys, I picked up dark amber because YouTube was literally going dark amber crazy, dark amber. And I don't understand the craze because it's just not doing it for me. I also picked up white jasmine as well. I really like white jasmine candle anyway, so I wasn't surprised that I was gonna like this. This is really nice, and it smells good. It smells good. It smells refreshing. It smells strong. Dark amber does smell nice, but it's just too subtle. It's just way too subtle for me and my needs. So, but white jasmine, yes. So I think that completes the Zara home haul. But if you're talking about candles and you want something that's gonna last you a while, and you want something that literally you burn it and the whole house is filled up with a nice aromatic smell, oh gosh, like I've literally just opened it and it smells incredible. Oh, by the way, the big candles are like 3 weeks, and the small Jo Malone collaboration one is a 1 week. It's got a 1 week candle. So the one I would definitely recommend because I absolutely love it. This is, oh my god, this is one of the best. No, this is the best candle I've actually ever used, and I love candles. I really do. This is by a brand called Parts. Just take a look at the presentation. It's so luxurious. It is so nice, and it is 1,300 grams, and it's also got, it's a 4-week candle. I love the black and the cream detail, and this specific one is Wild Fig, Classic, and Orange Blossom. You can actually get this on Park's website. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, literally, if you're the type of person that cooks all the time, or you cook and you know you don't want the house stinking up of your food, this is a really good candle. I can't even recommend this enough. The packaging is good. You can actually take this out, like, yeah, you can take this out, but it's a bit slippery at the moment, so I'm just going to leave it. It's a 4-week candle. As you can see, I've literally burnt it, and this has lasted me months, guys, literally months. And you don't even have to have it littered for a while, and the whole house smells amazing. Like, whenever people come to my house, they're always saying, oh my god, it smells incredible. That's because of this candle. It's a bit pricey, it's a bit dear, but it's well worth it. It really is worth it. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, so that completes my rant and my hauls. If you might stick around this far, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what sort of candle brands you're using right now and you would recommend. Like I said, I like my aromatic candle smelling aromatic, smelling strong, smelling luxurious, smelling sweet, just filling up the entire house, but smelling cozy. I love that cozy, aromatic, strong scent. So please let me know below which candles, what brands you recommend, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like,